Alright, so day one on camper demo. Getting this bottom bunk out. Be taking this holding tank out. Hot water heater and the water pump. I'm figuring out what I'm going to do with these water lines. Once I get all this cleared out, I'll start getting rid of this rotten wood. Demo day one. Okay, so I'm taking the water heater out now. I've already got the holding tank, freshwater holding tank, the pump's done. So now I'm just going to take my hot cold inlets off. I've taken a picture of how these wires go together. So I'm getting ready to unsplice them. I've unplugged it. Got the gas is off. This isn't hooked up to shore power. Battery's dead. So I'm not going to get electrocuted. So I'm going to unplug this and then I'll get this undone and then I'll take you out front and see what's going on out there. Okay, so I'm out front here. I think I'm gonna have to loosen this, take this bolt out, this bolt here, and then another one there. And that'll disconnect this front plate, I guess, from the actual water heater. We'll find out. That's broke off. Huh. I am keeping everything in a little baggie. Man. Alright, so it looks like I might have to take that pressure valve off. That's gonna be exciting. I'll be right back. All right, I got the pressure release valve out. It was not bad. So now I'm taking this box off right here, and I believe there's some wires in there I need to disconnect. Okay, I've got to undo these 4 wires here. I took a picture, but it looks pretty self-explanatory on how they go. Actually, this white one and this black one are keeping me from being able to get that out. So I'll get these undone, and then I think I'm just gonna leave this faceplate on, and I'll be good to go. All right, the water heater is out. So I did not need to take all these screws out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them back on, put the door back on. So really all I needed to do, this is a Dometic hot water heater. This camper's 2022 model. So really all I needed to do was unhook my propane, and then those 3 bolts, and then a few wires, and the pressure plug or whatever it's called, and I'd have been good. So I'm gonna get this door back on and then go in there, and I need to cut the water lines and get them out of the way and finish getting that bunk down. Okay, so I'm inside, and I've just ripped out like stuff I can just pull up with my hand. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my circular saw and set it very shallow, and just go around the edge the best I can and start cutting this out, and we'll see what I come up with. It's just such a small area that I don't know where I could set up my phone to where, you know, it would look good, but I'm just gonna take my circular saw, you know, and just go around the edges, or just start cutting a little section at a time. See what happens. Just gonna take it slow and steady and see what the approach is. But yeah, I mean, there's no way that, I just can't see that. I think this trailer's been leaking ever since we pulled it off the lot. We've had it for 4 years. I just can't see. I don't know. This is just crazy to me. It's insane. But yeah, gotta get to it. Just gonna keep hoping Jesus gets me through it, and keep talking to him, and just hope Jesus gives me patience here to do this. But that's where we are, ripping out rotten flooring. All right, so as I suspected, this is wet, and it's wet from the bottom up, where the insulation has just been soaking up water. So tomorrow I'm going to cut this out. Thankfully it's stopped, so I'll have to rip this little deal out. But I don't think the bathroom's going to be, I don't know. I might redo the bathroom. But here it is. As you can tell, that corner is a little rough. But got her cleaned out. I'm going to put a fan in here. And then tomorrow I'm going to go get a dehumidifier. And I'm going to run a dehumidifier in here. Probably till Monday. And then I'm going to start figuring out. Probably going to have to cut more of this wheel well out. Figure that out. And then start taking this top bunk out. I don't know. I got to figure out this right here and put something down in here to where I can get in here and work. So that's it. Got her demoed, got her cleaned out, halfway demoed, still got out here to do. But that's it.